My different stuff,
and I'm like, yo,
as you should.
Right? Shit, like even with my fucked up leg, I still fucking clean the whole crib, bro. Trying to teach him like, no matter what situation you in, you could always get shit done.
Right. You got 24 hours of the day, you got something to do.
You was over here this morning?
No, or grandparent. You can laugh at.
Y'all worked last night?
I'm thinking about going, but I'm like, no.
But like, remember that day I told you my chest right? Well, I ended up feeling like that, but only a little bit worse yesterday. I was sweating like crazy. I got like the chills, and my stomach was killing me, bro. But like, I didn't have like no diarrhea or nothing. It was just my stomach was hurting. Like nothing was coming out or nothing.
Uh-oh.
Bro,
Dad told me.
He ain't near him no more, bro. Like, ever since he got near Kira, bro, I'm telling you, he's
tough as he goes, as he get older.
Yeah.
Maturing too.
Yep, he's maturing for sure. Scared of everything. Everything. Tail between his legs, he was so scared, so shook.
That's how he is. We had Kara, she was the same way.
Scared.
It took us like a couple months, day by day.
Telling you.
Feeling all the more.
How long you gonna be?
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go outside. Come on, let's go. Here you go. She happy. You see daddy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. And drop. Hey, girls. How you doing? Okay, come on, come on. Hey, come on, basketball. That's what you want, y'all. I got you. Come on. What did I tell you?
Hey, baby, look, she came in here. She said, hey, what's up, girl?
I told her. What did I say?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Kai.
Oh, crash. Yeah, the Selena girl. Say hi, Kai.
Hey. What's up, little bro? How you doing today? What's up, Kai? Hey, baby.
So she said happy. You said
hey.
She said happy.
Look at this. She's so happy to see everybody. Yeah. You're okay, bro. He won't do nothing. I promise. Pull him back, Chewy. He's a punk. I promise you.
You have to see everybody, Kara. I told you it was a surprise. I did not say that. I said it was a surprise.
What's up, Kai? Come on, Kai. Let's walk down this way. Oh, you almost hit it. Let's take our usual little walk. Come on. Yep. She can go all day. Leave her alone.
She had me outside since this morning.
You got a bag?
Yeah. No, I don't. No.
She like to do that all the time.
You go, Selena. Here you go. I'm going. Go, Selena. Go. Yeah.
Like, get this shit out of here.
She started doing that. She started doing that.
You first got her?
Nah.
Nah, he don't do it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Selena behind her. Hey, Kai, gotta listen. Dad's over here. Oh, now I'm Kai.
Progress, because whenever they did it, she wouldn't back up.
Right.
And now she ain't even worried about it.
She ain't worried, because she knows.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, she knows.
Like, she's weary of it. She don't know. She don't know his character yet.
Yeah, she don't.
Like, Max, Max is so big. Like, I've never, like, what do you think Max is mixed with?
They
like
say
Bully?
No, they say mixed with Bully.
And Pit.
And...
you know what I think?
Yeah, they do. Three different,
how big he is, because bullies don't do it.
I'm going to stay here too.
Yeah, for a week, so he probably broke it. That's probably college good as shit, I swear. So many, like,
they usually have to be on Wednesdays that left.
It is. Like, for real, like.
They ain't from Pittsburgh. I'm born and raised.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
like,
that's what I hear.
That's how they get in trouble, y'all.
Heard that the worst place. You know where my crib is?
Yeah, the building right there. Yeah, no. Hey, why? He want.
Come on back. Shit, all right, cool. That shit. Nina, this way.
Go, girl. Oh.
You okay?
You tough. Selena, you tough, girl.
Here, baby. Come on, let's go over to this field. Hold that.
Yo, you want water? You still want water or are you okay? You break it now? Anything?
Yeah.
You did it? You did it?
Come on, baby. Let me go. That's what I told. Oh man, see, I was gonna tell her that, but I'm like, nah, it's alright. She don't have nothing to run to. It ain't like crashes across the street or nothing. But I was gonna tell her like, if she fools, just let it go. That's alright.
Go so fast I had to stop.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So you alright, girl?
This is what we can let him go. You okay, baby?
How Kara do when she
I
goes?
didn't even cry.
She'll dip out.
Yeah, start going.
Yo, I'm telling you, yo.
Oh, dogs.
Smell something over there. There must be something good.
Come here, here, Kara, here. Come on, girl. Kara. You alright, Slim?
Yeah.
You always make our day, man. We enjoy the day.
Come on, Chris. Let's go, boys. Good smells it too.
Kara, ow, ow. Come on. Go, Chewy. Go, go. Oh boy. She's fast, boy. You gotta get her. You gotta get her, Crash. Get her. Go get her. There you go.
They were fast.
Hey, I got.
Ooh. You see Chris? Oh shoot, I better watch out all of these bugs right there.
There's a fence behind her.
Oh shoot, there's something there.
Alright. Hey. No. Crash. Here you go, girl. Go.
Come here. Look, treat. Look, treat. Good boy.
Yeah, get it, Chris. Good, good. Woo, let's go. Get him, Kai. Watch out, baby. Yeah. Look at that. She's a beast, yo. You see that?
Hey.
Yo, she took his ass down.
He kicking. Oh, he kicking. Here you go, Crash.
Look. Ooh, good, Crash. Watch out, man. There we go.
She's so tough.
Good, Crash, man up.
Go ahead, boy. Go ahead.
Okay, boy.
Go, boy.
She's quick too, boy. Yeah.
I put my finger on there on accident.
Go on the edit.
Crash, he's a runner. He's a
He
runner.
is too. That's why she likes playing with him, because he's quick. She has actually someone that get her to work. You know what I mean? Look.
Take time behind that.
Ooh.
I could kill that bushwhack.
That's like all she do is roll around. Oh, you happy, Kara? Oh, go, girl.
No, she
Go,
happy.
girl.
Look, she like, boy. Look, Crash trying to take any chance he can. Oh, that thing. He's taking any chance. He's a dog,
Yeah,
man.
he
I'm
is.
telling you.
He's different. Crash
He's a
is different.
dog. But at least he's not mean with it. You
No.
know what I mean? Like,
You
a
got
lot
that.
of males are mean with
Yeah,
it.
they are.
Like, I'm going to take that. Like, let's be real, man. A lot of male dogs.
But it's a blessing. It's my girl now.
Yep. Ooh, let's start walking back-headed.
For real?
Yeah. Woo.
You ain't get no water?
No, I have, but you know what I just got done doing? Cleaning the whole crib and sweating and shit, and I probably ain't drinking enough water.
I don't like drinking water like that.
Ooh, man, that's crazy. Throwing up. No, like a gut hurting,
Where your chest hurting?
kind of like out of it a little bit, sweating, like kind of just feeling.
It's like,
Everybody's getting it done. They're having so much fun. I love it.
Crash,
Get his ass, Kai.
Crash smiling when you look at her.
Yeah.
You're happy.
He loves it though.
Kick back, Craig. Look, Craig.
He loves it, man, for real. Yep. Look. He's a dipper, man. Look.
Crash, go to your brother. Look, he down there. Crash, go to your brother.
Look at this. This is awesome. Watch out.
Oh, Coward's fast.
Look, Power is fast. Look,
He's fast.
Crash ain't take shit no more though. Ooh.
Alright. Good, y'all. Good boy. Good boy.
Go ahead. He's a good boy, huh?
Good boy. Go, girl. Get him. Girl. That's a girl. Good girl. No Alice. You ain't sick. Look good boy.
Yeah, cause like y'all was her ex and she was. You know what I'm saying? Me and Tyler.
Say sorry to Selena, Kara. Should get you. Kara, you ain't. Kara, it be making hurt though. Her stomach don't hurt. Like, come on.
Here got a little tongue. Look at that tongue, bro. Look and he hangs it out the side. Like, it's like you don't even let it hang out straight.
Look, Kara, look. Yeah, look at her tongue.
Look. See? Hers comes out like a normal
yeah.
dog. His is like, oh my goodness.
Oh, y'all tired now? Oh, I'm tired.
You guys tired.
Tired, huh?
Kira, you's a good girl. Come
Good
here.
girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
Hey. You gonna let me pet you?
Get it, girl.
Where's your belly?
Rolly.
Where's your belly? Where's your belly?
Rolly. Here you go.
Where's your belly?
Here you go, girl. Rolly.
Good girl, huh? We're just good girl.
Alright, boy. What's up, boy? What's up? What's up? How you fast, huh?
Don't kiss. No. They love each other now. What's up, Crash, huh? You love your Kira, huh? Go ahead.
Trey, what you?
Good boy. He's scared stick.
See, Kyle don't like your girl.
Listen, bro. He fucking he won't even go near him without growling.
Yeah.
He tries to bite his face, bro. Like, it's crazy.
Was it close yesterday when you did it?
Oh, yeah.
It was?
Listen, she was holding her dog back. She's like, keep him away, keep him away. Like,
Language.
What it is she was saying the same thing.
I hate when people do that. Oh, get your dog away from her. No, communicate.
Dude,
It's like how to,
you
yeah.
in the store time, don't move your dog. Don't move.
Got to.
Yeah.
People that do that shit work for you. What's the word for you saying your little stupid ass sentences? Which you guys is what?
That's crack, dude. It's like 7 in the morning. I just woke up. About watching me through the window and shit. Like,
that's what they do. That's what they do. There you go. Kara, do not pull. I'm not playing with you, girl. Don't. Oh, just yank her. You yank her back.
Just pull her.
Pull her back. You good. Chewy. Oh, chewy. Haha. Okay, you can't go nowhere, huh? You alright?
You want to stick someone? You got scared. You smell.
What you smell, boy? Cool.
What did it used to be?
They had gunners over here.
What they gonna use?
No, it's taser.
Yeah, taser.
What it probably
I'm wet, brother. I'm wet.
When I'm going in the house, I go in my dad's room and sit in the fan. The one reason I like going
Yo, I like
in
his Crocs.
I got these.
Like his Crocs too?
I got these in.
Oh, okay.
That's
Which one?
That haven't. I'm good at Disney.
No.
I was outside on the porch in my truck. For real? Yeah.
Better now.
Cold. You ready for winter time?
On the 20th, I'm going
Okay.
to start.
Let's go to.
I